kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn lowercase ABCD colors name. Black color, neon color, light blue color, red color, brown color, pink color, dark blue color, orange color. Let's start. Green color. A for aeroplane. B for bag. C for candy. D for dog. E for egg. F for fish. G for girl. Blue color. H for house. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nose. Yellow color. O for owl. P for piano. Q for queen. R for red. S for star. T for tomato. U for umbrella. Orange color. V for village. W for water. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. So kids, what we learn today? We learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and G. Now I know my ABC. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video.